Dropship.io offers tools and features to help you find potentially profitable products for dropshipping. Here's how to use Dropship.io to find winning products. Product discovery. Start by exploring the product catalog on Dropship.io. You can browse through various categories or use search filters to narrow down products that align with your niche or target market. Product analytics. Use Dropship.io's analytics and insights to evaluate product performance. Look for indicators such as high demand, low competition, and positive customer reviews. Trending products. Keep an eye on trending products and bestsellers highlighted by Dropship.io. These products often reflect current customer interests and purchasing trends. Competitor analysis. Analyze products that are performing well for your competitors. Dropship.io allows you to track and monitor products that are popular among other dropshippers. Product ratings and reviews. Pay attention to product ratings and customer reviews within Dropship.io. Positive feedback and high ratings indicate customer satisfaction and potential demand. Seasonal trends. Consider seasonal trends and holidays when searching for winning products. Dropship.io may feature seasonal product collections or highlight products trending during specific times of the year. Customization and marketing. Once you identify potential winning products, customize product details within Dropship.io to match your branding. Develop effective marketing strategies to promote these products on your online store.